channel, Kathysartventure. I'm going to do this mold again, and as you know, I'm making Christmas presents for my kids. So this one I'm going to do in red and white. I think I'm going to try to make my white maybe a little bit more opaque, since I'm doing the red and white. So I don't want it to be all red. I don't know how this will work out, but we're gonna put a few little squirts in there and mix that up and see. I think that'll be plenty of opaque for me. Okay, it's white, but it's not, it's still a little bit translucent, transparent. Now I'm gonna put one more drop in. I changed my mind already. We'll put one more drop in. Okay. That's a little better. I like that better. Okay, I might let this sit here for a minute and let some of these bubbles, since I just created massive bubbles. So we'll let that sit there for a minute. Okay, we are ready to move on. I'm gonna put that back in there. And we're just gonna put a few drops around the bottom. And pour some white. Okay. I'm not sure how this is going to work out, but we'll keep moving. Oh, I hope this turns out. I'm trying to see what it's doing. Oh, I'm clueless. This is an experiment for me, guys. I don't know what's going to happen, what's going to come of it. But we're giving it a shot here. One thing's for sure, it's made with love. So this will be my last bit of red. We'll fill it up. Fill it up. Oh my goodness, it does look like it might be pretty. It might be pretty, we don't know. Okay, we'll put a few drops in there. And let's do it this way. Let's move this a little bit. Pull it back a little bit. And in we go. And now you have to stop right at the rim because bubbles get in there. So I'm gonna bounce it a little, see if we can get some of these bubbles in here. See, I told you guys this takes the whole 10 ounces. I'm gonna have to scrape this out. Whoops. Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm kind of happy with what it's looking like so far. Okay, this might have been the way to go, huh? Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna turn on the heat mat, and I gotta watch this one because there's a bubble again. And before I even move it or anything else, I gotta get that bubble out. Boy, I got it. All right, we will leave this go, and we will come back when it is cured and ready to go. All right, I don't know what this is gonna look like, because it looked like it was gonna look pretty good, and then it seemed like maybe the red creeped up a little more than I wanted, so I don't know. We'll see when I get it out of here. So, this time I did use some alcohol. Oh, it's not bad. It's kind of pretty. Okay. I can live with that. I think I wanted it a little more like this, but you know, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. All right. I think they'll like that a lot for their Christmas decor. Let's hope the lid turned out. I know there was an air bubble in there that I seen that I couldn't get to. It was too late. And there it is. Oh, there's another one too. I can fix those. Okay. Looks like I missed a little red there, but it's pretty. It will work. It's a little funky right there. Got some white up in there. It's definitely not what I was expecting it to be, but I'm happy with it. I think it's a cute jar. And it's definitely their Christmas colors, so. Woohoo! One more Christmas present down. Alright, I almost forgot to show you guys I made a new lid. I actually made another jar. And the reason I did is because I'm going to use the jar part in another project. And so I figured why not just go ahead and see if I could fix the lid for this one. So I redid the lid on this one and I'm so happy with this. It turned out so adorable. And I think my kids are going to love it. Let me see. Turn on a little light here. But that's it. My Christmas present. And I can't wait for you guys to see what I'm going to do with the bottom of this jar. But it turned out super cute. And we had Tanya and August back this week. So yeehaw for that. Alright, you guys, I don't know if we're doing one next Monday or not. I think we are. And I'll see you then. If not, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And I am so busy working on so many gifts. So I've been neglecting YouTube because not only have I been working on doing things around here to my house to make it a home, but I've been crazy busy working on Christmas gifts for my family. There's so many of these people. I created a whole lot of mess of people. Isn't this cute though? Adorable. All right, love you guys. See you next week. Bye-bye.